Hello and welcome to Add-on. So, the question is obtain Fourier series for the function fx is equal to x square in an interval minus pi to pi. Hence, show that the summation of inverse of natural number is equal to pi raised to the power 4 by 19. It is summation of inverse of natural number raised to the power 4 is equal to pi raised to the power 4 by 90. So, इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें याद होना चाहिए Fourier series expansion, Fourier series expansion for an interval minus pi to pi, and it is given by f of x is equal to a naught upon 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Now इसमें a naught क्या होता है? It is 1 upon pi integration minus pi to pi f of x dx, and an is equal to 1 upon pi integration minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx, and bn is equal to 1 upon pi integration minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. अब इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें पहले a naught, an and bn फाइंड आउट करना है. देन वी विल पुट द वैल्यू इन दिस फॉर्म. टेक दिस एज इक्वेशन 1 जिसमें हमारा फाइनल फोरियर सीरीज एक्सपेंशन आएगा फॉर फंक्शन एफ एक्स. नाउ हमारे पास रिजल्ट होता है रिजल्ट दैट इफ अ फंक्शन एफ एक्स इज इवन देन बी एन इज इक्वल टू 0, एंड इफ अ फंक्शन एफ एक्स इज ऑड देन ए नॉट एंड ए एन इज 0. अब फंक्शन क्या है हमारे पास? f of x is equal to, and this is for interval minus a to a form, and fx क्या है? x square. अब ये इवन है या ऑड, उसके लिए हम चेक करेंगे f of minus x is equal to minus x का होल स्क्वायर. x के प्लेस पे minus x आएगा and it is equal to x square which is equal to f of x. so फंक्शन क्या है? इवन. इवन एंड ऑड चेक करने के लिए हमें पता होना चाहिए फंक्शन इज इवन when f of minus x is equal to f of x, and odd when f of minus x is equal to minus fx. हमारे पास था f of minus x is equal to fx, so the function is even. और अगर even होता है तो bn is 0. bn is equal to 0 and a naught and an में changes आते हैं. Now fx is even, so इसके लिए result properly लिख लेते हैं. when f of x is an even function, then bn is equal to 0 and a naught is equal to 1 upon pi integration 0 to pi, here it is multiplied by 2 integration 0 to pi f of x dx, that is it is equal to 2 upon pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is equal to 2 upon pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. अब हमें a naught and an फाइंड आउट करना है. सो a naught is equal to 2 upon pi integration 0 to pi f of x क्या गिवन है हमें? x square dx, जो हो जाएगा 2 upon pi x raised to the power 3 divided by 3, limit is from 0 to pi, which is equal to 2 upon 3 pi, put the limit pi raised to the power 3 minus 0, which is equal to 2 pi raised to the power 3 divided by 3 pi. 1 pi से pi cancel, it is equal to 2 upon 3 pi raised to the power 2. That is a naught is equal to 2 pi square divided by 3. Now find an. an is equal to 2 upon pi integration 0 to pi f of x is x square cos nx dx, जिसको सॉल्व करने के लिए we need to use बर्नौलीज फॉर्मूला, जो क्या होता है? it is integration u multiply v dx is equal to u multiply v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 and so on, where v1 is integration of v dx, comma v2 is integration of v1 dx and so on. So इसमें u is x square and v is cos nx. So u dash, write u is equal to x square. This implies u dash is equal to 2x, u double dash is equal to 2 and u triple dash is equal to 0. That means हमें सिर्फ u double dash तक वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. That is हमें v1, v2 and v3 चाहिए. उसके लिए v1 is equal to integration of v with respect to dx. It is equal to integration cos nx dx जो होगा sin nx divided by n. Now v2 is integration of v1 dx जो होगा integration of sin nx divided by n dx and it is equal to minus cos nx divided by n square, and v3 is equal to integration of v2 dx. It is integration of minus cos nx divided by n square dx. Then it is equal to minus sin nx divided by n cube. Now finally आएगा integration of x square cos nx dx is equal to u multiply v1, u is x square multiply v1, v1 is sin nx divided by n minus u dash multiply v2, u dash is 2x multiply minus cos nx divided by n square plus u double dash is 2 multiply v3 which is minus sin nx divided by n cube. इसे simplify करेंगे. It is x square sin nx divided by n minus minus plus 2x cos nx divided by n square minus 2 sin nx divided by n cube. And the limit for this integration was, it is from 0 to pi multiply by 2 upon pi for an. So an is equal to 2 upon pi integration 0 to pi x square cos nx ds, which is equal to 2 upon pi. Put the value x square sin nx divided by n plus 2x cos nx divided by n square minus 2 sin nx divided by n cube. Limit is from 0 to pi. Now put the limit. An is equal to 2 upon pi. Put the limit first. Upper limit pi, it is pi square sin n pi divided by n plus 2 pi cos n pi divided by n square minus 2 sin n pi divided by n cube. Now put the lower limit. It is 0 plus 0 minus 2 sin 0 divided by n cube. Since यहाँ पे 0 से multiply होगा तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. Now हमें पता होना चाहिए sin n pi is equal to 0, sin 0 is also equal to 0, cos 0 is 1 and cos n pi is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n. Using this ये आ जाएगा 2 upon pi. Sin n pi is 0, so it is 0 plus 2 pi cos n pi is minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square minus sin n pi is again 0. Minus 0 plus sin n0 is 0. That is sin 0 is 0. It is again 0. So overall it is an is equal to 2 upon pi multiply 2 pi minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square, जिसमें pi से pi cancel. It is 4 minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square. This is the final value for an. Now use equation 1. Final Fourier series expansion will be f of x is equal to a0 upon 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. अब a0 हमारे पास क्या था? It is a0 was 2 pi square divided by 3. So ये हो जाएगा 2 pi square divided by 3. bn was 0 since function was even and an is 4 minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square. So ये हो जाएगा it is equal to 2 pi square divided by 2 multiply 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an is 4 minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square cos nx, and this term is all 0 since bn is 0. So it is plus 0. So ये हो जाएगा f of x is equal to pi square divided by 3 plus summation n from 1 to infinity 4 minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square cos nx. And fx क्या था? x square. So it is x square is equal to pi square by 3 plus summation n from 1 to infinity 4 minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square cos nx. नाउ हमारे पास फोरियर सीरीज एक्सपेंशन आ गया है. फर्दर हमसे पूछा है टू फाइंड द सम सीरीज. वी नीड टू फॉर्म दिस सम सीरीज, जिसके लिए वी विल यूज पार्सेवल्स थ्योरम. एंड पार्सेवल्स थ्योरम इज इंटीग्रेशन a to b f of x का होल स्क्वायर dx is equal to b minus a divided by 2 plus a naught square divided by 2. It is in bracket a naught square divided by 2 plus summation an square plus summation bn square. So using this we will found a integration a to b f of x का होल स्क्वायर dx, जिसके थ्रू हमारे पास आएगा समीशन सीरीज जो हमें चाहिए. f of x was x square, so it is integration a to b f of x is x square का होल स्क्वायर with dx is equal to b minus a divided by 2. a naught was, it was 2 pi square divided by 3. bn is 0 and an is 4 minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square, and interval was minus pi to pi. So using this, ये आएगा integration from minus pi to pi. In place of b, it is minus pi divided by 2. a naught is 2 pi square divided by 3 multiply 2 and this term का whole square plus summation an was 4 minus 1 raised to the power n divided by, so it is 4 minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n square plus इसका whole square plus bn was 0, so ये term हो जाएगी 0. and यहाँ पे there is one mistake, b is pi and a is minus pi, so it is pi minus pi divided by 2. So it is equal to pi plus pi divided by 2 in bracket 2 pi square divided by 3 का whole square multiply 1 upon 2 plus summation 4 का whole square minus 1 raised to the power 2n divided by n raised to the power 4. Now it is, so it is 2 pi divided by 2 in bracket 4 pi raised to the power 4 divided by 9 multiply 2 plus summation 4 square 16 minus 1 raised to the power 2n जो कि even है, so it is 1 divided by n raised to the power 4. Now इसमें 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा and it is 2 to the 4, remaining is pi in bracket 2 pi raised to the power 4 divided by 9 plus 16 summation n is from 1 to infinity 1 upon n raised to the power 4, and here fx was Now simplify right hand side. It is minus pi raised to the power pi x raised to the power 4 dx, which is equal to x raised to the power 5 divided by 5. Limit is from minus pi to pi, and ये होगा 1 upon 5. Limit is pi raised to the power 5 minus pi raised to the power 5, and it is equal to 1 upon 5 pi raised to the power 5 plus pi raised to the power 5. Since minus pi raised to the power 5 is odd, so ये हो जाएगा minus pi raised to the power 5 is minus pi raised to the power 5, and minus minus plus is equal to pi 2 pi raised to the power 4 divided by 9. Now it becomes 2 pi raised to the power 5 divided by 5 is equal to pi multiply 2 pi raised to the power 4 divided by 9 plus 16 pi summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n raised to the power 4. Now it is equal to 2 pi raised to the power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 pi raised to the power 5 divided by 9 is equal to 16 pi summation n from 1 to infinity 1 upon n raised to the power 4. Now taking LCM, it is 18 pi raised to the power 5 minus 10 pi raised to the power 5 divided by 45 is equal to 16 pi summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 divided by n raised to the power 4. Further, it is 8 pi raised to the power 5 divided by 45 multiply 16 pi is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n raised to the power 4. Now एक पाई से एक पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा, so it is 18 pi raised to the power 4 divided by 45 multiply 16 is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n raised to the power 4, which is, it is cancelled by 2. It is pi raised to the power 4 divided by 45 multiply 2 is 90 is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 1 upon n raised to the power 4, जो होता है summation of inverse of natural number raised to the power 4, that is 1 raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 4 and so on. And हमसे क्वेश्चन में यही पूछा था to deduce 1 upon 1 raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 4 and so on is equal to pi raised to the power 4 by 90. Hence,